Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right file and ensuring the client state. Download a high-quality Valorant wallpaper sized to your display, for example 1920x1080. Once downloaded, sign into the Riot/Valorant client and then close it temporarily so any in-client overlays don't interfere. Make sure you back up your current wallpaper and note your display scale. This prevents unexpected cropping. This sets you up to apply the image cleanly and avoid resolution mismatch problems down the line. Now you change the wallpaper through Windows so the Valorant art displays correctly. Right-click your desktop and open Personalize, then select Background and Picture. Browse to the Valorant image you downloaded, choose it, and then pick a fit option like Fill or Center depending on composition. Fill usually avoids black bars. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you apply the image to the primary display or assign different images per monitor. Once applied, check alignment and sharpness to ensure it looks as intended. Finish by reopening Valorant and confirming that any in-game overlays or HUD scaling haven't affected your desktop view. This helps ensure consistent visuals between desktop and gameplay. If you want the same image on your lock screen, set it under Settings right arrow Personalization right arrow Lock Screen. If the wallpaper looks distorted or won't apply, update your GPU drivers, confirm the file is a standard JPG or PNG, and restart the PC. This single troubleshooting step resolves most persistence and scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.